welcome back to Artica Visuals, and today we're gonna do a Photoshop tutorial for noobs because this is an English project and I'm to do this. So this is Photoshop, this is our canvas, this screen right here. These are the color options. This is my document name. I can press Command S and then name it something. So I'm just gonna name it tutorial, and it's .psd, so that's the format for Photoshop where you can like edit stuff with layers. So anyways, this is the layers panel. I can click on this button to add new layers, and then I can do something on this layer like this. And then if I bring it under the layer, then it disappears because it's underneath. This eye thing, I can turn on and turn off. So you can see it and not see it. What else can we do? You can double click on this and you get these blending options. They're very special. You can color overlay, change the color of everything on this layer. Very cool. Gradient overlay. We can make a ugly gradient here, and you can see it fades from white to black. Satin has this weird like distorty effect. Textures, contours, very ugly. Things that you shouldn't do unless you know what you're doing. This thing right here, this is the toolbar. You click on this, you can move stuff around. So if I had this, I can press V, it's a shortcut to get to this. And then I can move this around. Whoa. So one of the most important things is you want to scale things up and down. So Command T, that's your scaling thing. You can do this, scale things up and down. If you hold Alt, then you can scale up and down from the center. This is with Alt, this is without Alt. See the difference? And there are very smart guides where I can like center this blob for some reason if I wanted to. Here, lasso tool. Say I wanted to cut out half of this blob. I can click around and select it. Command X and it's gone. Whoa, cool. Wand, that affects, this selects one single color. So if I wanted to select all the white, I can select that. You see it selected a little bit outside the white, so I can change the tolerance. So this is the brush tool, which I was using to draw stuff. B is a shortcut. If you press E or click on this eraser, you can erase stuff. This thing smudge, you can smudge things around. We got this lovely stock image. I just clicked on Command V and pasted it in, but it's all white because it's way bigger than the canvas. Whoa, that's a humongous picture. So I'm gonna press Command T, scale it down. Beautiful. Now we can use one of these special tools to fix up his face. This is the heal tool. It can sort of heal his face from his wrinkles. So I can click on Alt, sorry, and then click on some place I want to sample, like here. And then I can click over, and then it takes away his wrinkles. I know it's very subtle, but if you keep doing this, then over time, his wrinkles will go away. Yeah, it's actually pretty useful if you take your time and use it right. Last but not least, we have this button. These are little filters, so I can click on different things to change it. So brightness and contrast, you guys probably know what that is. Brightness, I can make it really bright, low, and high contrast gives it a nice deep fried effect. Levels, if we want more deep fried, we can change it like that. I really like that. If you want it even more deep fried, because I think that's what we're going for now, make it all red, color balance. There's a couple more stuff. Photo filter, you can choose a color for it to for the main thing to be. So I want it red, even more red. Now it's very red, he looks like an angry person now. There are some other little things that you can add. Too many things to go over right now. If you actually want to edit a lot of stuff for a picture, you can go to the camera raw filter, which is, and then filter, camera raw filter. And there, we can change the temperature, tint, exposure, if you want it brighter, contrast, I want this void, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, clarity. I really like this effect. Dehaze, makes the haze less, and we can make it more vibrant, more saturated. We can change the highlights, so if we turn it down, then the highlighted places become darker. The lights, we can make the lights darker, lights brighter. I think darker. Let's just make everything here darker. And we can add grain. These are little dots that make it even more deep fried than it is. And we want it red, right? So here, I like that. vigneting. It adds like a border thing, so that's pretty good. I think this is very, very good. We can add some text. I like Photoshop. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this noob Photoshop tutorial. Hopefully you guys learned a lot of new skills today about how to use Photoshop. Can get a basic understanding of this unique and very good software. It's very good for memes. Yeah, subscribe.
I'm coming home.